Welcome to the video presentation of mini SLET with CAG without amniotic membrane graft for a case of partial LSCD secondary to chemical injury. So amniotic membrane graft is an integral part of SLET. It plays critical role in promoting and preserving stemness of the limbal stem cells. It serves as a scaffold over which epithelium grows. Like in Tetris matching, it fills in the irregularities after pannus dissection, giving it a smooth surface, and periphery keeps the conjunctival tissue at bay, thus preventing it from growing in, giving enough time for these limbal explants to completely epithelize the corneal surface. But in this case, the LSCD was limited to 270 degree, rest was clear and epithelized. So we thought of not disturbing it, and so we preserved the host epithelium and explants were directly placed over the stromal bed after pannus dissection. So let's see how we did it in the surgery. First of all, conjunctival peritomy was done in the area of LSCD. And we tried to dissect off all the fibrotic tissue from underneath. Then the fibrovascular pannus dissection was started and it was completely dissected off the corneal surface till a smooth stromal bed was achieved. Now we shift to the other eye to harvest our conjunctival autograft as well as limbal biopsy. So first we started off the dissection taking care that we don't take any tenons in our CAG and we harvest a pure conjunctival graft. Once conjunctival graft was harvested, we started our further dissection with blunt end of the 15 number blade in clear cornea till we dissected off the palisades of both to harvest our limbal stem cells. Then first the CAG was cut with the scissors and it was preserved in VSS, and then secondly we cut our limbal biopsy and kept it in the VSS till further use. Coming back to the recipient eye, the CAG was divided into two halves and it was placed over the bare sclera. So both the CAGs were placed in a way that bare sclera gets covered, and the limbal end was sutured with 10-0 Ethelon sutures. Both the ends were sutured of both the CAGs. And the posterior end was glued back using two components of fibrin glue after adequate drying, and we ensured proper adhesion of the CAG. So when CAGs are placed, we will shift now towards limbal biopsy. The limbal biopsy was cut into small pieces with epithelial side up using Pannus scissors, and the cut pieces were placed circumferentially over the stromal bed, directly over the stromal bed without putting any amniotic membrane graft. They were glued with epithelial side up using two components of fibrin glue again, and we ensured their adequate adhesion. After that, a bandage contact lens was applied.